nacho salad or salad nachos? I can tell you that it's nacho ordinary salad. Oh! It's really the best of both worlds. It's a total winner. You know, if you're feeling like a cheat meal, but you also want to eat somewhat healthy, then this is it. You got your healthy components with, you know, your fresh greens and your veggies, but then you also have the indulgent, feel-good comfort food of the warm, cheesy, gooey nachos. It's a no-brainer. I think I'm gonna make this a lot. This is way better than any taco salad I've ever had with just, you know, crunched up tortilla chips on top and a little bit of salsa. Like, come on, give me the meat. Vegan meat. Give me the cheese, give me the crunchy, salty tortilla chips. Like, this is totally epic. And if you think this is weird, I get it, but you really should try it. This is just so epic. It's so delicious. This recipe is very much a non-recipe, so basically use whatever fresh ingredients you want to put in your salad and on your nachos. So I'm gonna chop up some fresh tomato to use as one of my salad components. I'm not gonna put this in my nachos before they bake, but I am going to slice up some fresh bell peppers that is gonna go in my nachos, and some green onion. This is totally one of my favorite things to layer in my nachos. And then I grabbed the saltiest tortilla chips I could find. These are totally my favorite, and I love a salty tortilla chip when I make nachos. I then cooked up some plant-based ground beef with some taco seasonings, and then I just basically started layering my nachos. I figured I'll just show you guys how I make my nachos. And yeah, added some vegan Tex-Mex shredded cheese. This stuff is awesome by Violife. It's definitely my favorite. Layered in those bell peppers. Now again, you can use whatever you want. And then my green onion. I feel like nacho toppings are very much a personal choice, so you do you. There I added some sliced jalapenos and olives, and I just baked this until the cheese was melted. It was nice and golden, and yeah, turned out looking something like this. Gooey, greasy, cheesy, melty, all things that nachos should be. Total comfort food. I am literally salivating right now. Now, I could have totally just devoured that whole basket of nachos to myself, but I have a husband that I had to share this with. Plus, remember, this is a fusion dish. We're gonna be turning this into a salad type thing. So, load up a bowl with whatever greens you want. I'm just using some romaine and some tomato and pickled onion, and then add your nachos on top. Add as many as you want. Load it up, pile it high like a cheesy, greasy mountain. And then I added just some salsa and sour cream because, you know, keep it simple. Sometimes simple is the best, but you can totally add like a salad dressing, or if you have your favorite kind of taco dip or whatever, do it. Queso would be awesome here too. I'm super excited to eat this. Everybody knows how to make nachos, so you just dress up your nachos however you want and then make a salad. You know, you can put some romaine, you can put whatever toppings you want. And I might be wondering, how do you eat this, Janelle? Do you eat it with your hands? Do you eat it with a fork? I guess you could do either. I mean, the salad stuff, you know, you can take your fork and eat your salad, but, you know, still dip your stuff in the sour cream and salsa. You know what I mean? Salad nachos. Nacho salad. I still like nacho ordinary salad the best. You get these little nice breaks in between, like eating, you know, a gooey, extra salty, meaty nacho, and then you get to eat something like healthy and crunchy and delicious, and it kind of makes you feel good. And then you go back to eating like your indulgent treat, and you go back to eating your salad. It's like you get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit from column A, a little bit from column B. And while you're eating this, like inevitably some of the stuff on your nachos is gonna fall off, like some of the cheese and the meat and the onions. It's gonna fall into your salad. So then, you know, your lettuce, which may have seemed to be kind of boring and plain, gets, you know, coated in all the delicious, greasy goodness of the melted cheese and the plant-based meat and the salsa. So it all just comes together in one cohesive unit that just works.